My dears, hope you all are safe at home. We discussed about family and its importance in the previous chapter. Now we are going to study about next chapter. The name of the chapter is Spend Carefully. This is related to other aspects of family. Before starting the lesson, I will introduce some new terms in this topic. All of you listen here. First one, income. The money that we earn from our work is called income. Reward means outcome or benefit. Employment, work or occupation. Ventures, project or activity which is new. The last one, assets, a useful or valuable thing. Understand? Let's come to the topic. All of you look at the picture. In this picture, we can see members of this family are engaged in different activities. Both father and mother are engaged in income earning activities. Like this, members in our house engaged in different activities. What are they working for? Yes, in order to live, we need money. For that, they engaged in different activities. Employment is an economic activity that generates income. Reward of employment is earned either in the form of wage or salary. Employment is one source of income for family. As income is generated in different ways, the sources of income are also different. For understanding more about this, let's check these two families. First one is about Satish family. He is a farmer. His family consists of his wife, 2 children and his mother. He owns a house and 5 cents of land. His wife is engaged in preparing meals in the nearby school. His family gives adequate care to his bedridden mother. Second one is Shaji. His family consists of his wife and 3 children. He runs a tailoring shop. His elder son is engaged in newspaper distribution. Younger children are students. His wife Seena does household activities. They live in a rented house. Have you read it? What can be learned from this? The source of income of two families is different. Satish is engaged in agriculture. His wife is engaged in preparing meals. Shaji is a tailor. His elder son is engaged in newspaper distribution. He lived in a rented house. The sources of income are different for these two families. Reward generating ventures or assets can be termed as sources of income. For example, business is a source of income and profit out of business is income. Understand? This is a word web depicting different sources of income of families. People engaged in government service get salary. Mahila Pradhan agent gets commission. People who deposit money in bank gets interest. Those who engaged in construction work gets wage. Profit from business, rent from renting out. These are the different sources of income of families. Thus, earning of family members from different sources are the income of the family. Is it clear? Let's recall today's class. Today we discussed about income, employment and sources of income. If you have any doubt regarding this topic, ask me through class groups. Okay, thank you.